talk. Nobody ever talks about the disassembly process. You know how they have the Avengers Assemble? Can I have a Whimsy disassemble? I'm even here for a little sprinkle of magic. You know, the little nose wiggle, the... Yeah, I can't do it. It's fine. But, wow. Yes, I love putting outfits on like this. But now I have to take it all off and then put it all away. And that's the worst part, is putting everything back. Shall we count the layers? Quick tip, always loosen your laces before you open your corset clasps. You do not want to open these under tension. Now that we're open, we can start at the bottom. Start at the bottom. Same when you put it on. All right. And yes, you should still be able to breathe while wearing a corset. It should give you support and feel more like a hug, you know? Have you lost count? Because I did. Oops. Wait, we can do this together. I can be nimble. Mayhaps. It's a workout. Oh, here. Yes, so we didn't have any slip-up accidents. I am covered. All right. These last 2 layers are on me. Now I just gotta wash it and put it all away. Yay! Anyway, I don't know if that was helpful or not, but it was real, so there you have it. Have a beautiful rest of your day. And yes, it was totally worth it. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.